Today we will discuss about MCQ for Engineering Graphics and Design Part 6. So welcome to my YouTube channel Mechanical Engineering Management. So already we have discussed in the previous videos of Part 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 50 questions. So now let's start with the question number 51. The size of the following drawing drawn to scale 2:1 will be blank the actual size. Options: same as, twice of, half of, none of these. In the description it is given to you that the scale is 2:1 and that is actually representative fraction. So we know that representative fraction is equal to drawing size upon actual size, and here RF is given to you 2:1, that means 2 by 1. So if I put it over here, RF as 2 by 1 is equal to, as it is, drawing size upon actual size as it is. So I can say 2 into actual size is equal to 1 into drawing size. So from this result, now you are able to give the answer that the drawing size is 2 times actual size. So here 2 times actual size, that means twice of the actual size, means B is the right answer. Next, Boyle's law, PV is equal to constant, generates a curve which is a option: ellipse, hyperbola, parabola, cycloid. So the answer is B, hyperbola. And you need to remember the Boyle's law generates always hyperbola. Next, the top view of a rectangular shape room will show options: length and height, length and width, width and height, height only. So let's consider the figure. So this is the reference plane VP and HP, and the rectangular room is given to you. So I will put it over here. This is the rectangular room. This is called as the length. This one is the width, and this is the height. Now, as per the description, top view of rectangular room. So if I see the top view, then the top view will be the rectangle, and that indicate the length as well as width. So over here B is the right answer, length and width. Next, compared to actual diameter, the isometric diameter of the sphere is option: equal, smaller, greater, none of the above. So as we know, particularly for the sphere, isometric diameter of sphere is always equal to 11 by 9 times of the actual diameter. 11 by 9 is greater than 1. That means isometric drawing is always greater than actual diameter. So here I can say the isometric diameter is always greater than actual diameter. So C is the right answer. Next, the height of the tetrahedron of 40 mm sides will be blank 40 mm. Option: equal to, less than, greater than, half of. So first consider the tetrahedron. So this is the tetrahedron having 4 equal triangular faces. Now if I consider its top view and front view, then it is like that. Here I have assumed that the tetrahedron is resting on HP on one of its triangular face. Then the top view is like that and front view is like that. That you can imagine in your mind. And here you know that this is actually the true length 40 mm of the tetrahedron, and this one is the height. So from the figure you can understand that the height is always less than 40 mm. So here B is the right answer. Next, in isometric projection, the length or width of the object is drawn at blank to the horizontal reference line. Options: 30 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 120 degree. So let's consider the image of the isometric drawing. one line that represent as length, and this line represent as height, and this line represent as width. And as per our description, it is given to you in isometric projection, length or width. Here it is length, that is also 30 degree with the horizontal reference line. Width is also 30 degree with the horizontal line. So I will show you, over here it is also 30 degree and over here it is also 30 degree. That means the A is the right answer. Next, the development of lateral surface of a square pyramid is blank. Option: 4 rectangles, 4 squares, 4 triangles, 4 circles. So let's consider the figure. Square pyramid. So this is the square pyramid having apex point and 4 triangular lateral face and 1 square base. And if I develop it, then I will get 4 triangular lateral faces in the development, and that is indicated by the red color. And so that over here 4 triangles, that means C is the right answer. Next, the mini drafter serves the purpose of everything except options: scales, set squares, protectors, compass. So consider the image of the mini drafter. Now you know that scale is generally used to measure the length, and that you can do with the help of these arms. Set square is generally used to draw the parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and that also you can do with the help of these 2 arms, because of that is always 90 degree with each other. Protector is generally used to set the angles, and that you can do with the help of this. Compass is used to draw the circle, and that you can't do with the help of this mini drafter. So D is not possible by the mini drafter. So D is the right answer. Next, during operation, the 2 arms of the drafter remain at options: 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. So first consider the image of the mini drafter, and here these are the 2 arms of the mini drafter, and that is always perpendicular to each other. That means 90 degree between the 2 arms. Whatever it may be the position of the drafter, this 90 degree remains constant between the 2 arms. So D is the right answer. Next, this type of solid has 2 bases that are parallel equal polygons. Options: pyramid, prism, cone, cylinder. So let's check one by one all these options. So let's start with the pyramid. So I have considered over here square pyramid. Here you can see only one base. So A is not the correct answer. Now consider prism. I have considered over here square prism. So square prism having 2 base, top and bottom. So B is the right answer. Now check it, cone also. So cone having only the base, and that is circular. And over here it is written equal polygons. So cone is not the right answer. Cylinder. So cylinder also having top and bottom, but both are the circles, not the polygons. So looking all these options, only in case of prism, there are 2 equal polygons, these and these. And so that B is the right answer. So thanks my dear friends. Keep watching. We'll continue the same session in the next video. So press the like button to appreciate this video.